The organs of the urinary system include the kidneys, renal pelvis, ureters, bladder, and urethra. The body takes nutrients from food and converts them to energy. After the body has taken the food components that it needs, waste products are left behind in the bowel and in the blood. Kidney stones in the urinary tract are formed in several ways. Calcium can combine with chemicals such as oxalate or phosphorus in the urine. This can happen if these substances become so concentrated that they solidify. Kidney stones can also be caused by a buildup of uric acid. Uric acid buildup is caused by the metabolism of protein. Your urinary tract was not designed to expel solid matter, so it is no surprise that kidney stones are very painful to pass. If you have very small kidney stones that moves easily through your urinary tract, you may not have any symptoms. If you have larger kidney stones, you may notice any of the following symptoms. Pain in the back or side part of the body can be severe, sharp, or sudden in the abdomen. Pain can occur during urination and blood in your urine. Cloudy or foul smelling urine could be a sign of an infection if your kidney or another part of your urinary tract. If you have a blockage, you may only urinate little bit each time you go. Here is the list of food that you need to avoid through diet. 1. High sodium foods. High sodium diet can trigger kidney stones because it increases the amount of calcium in your urine. Current guidelines suggest limiting total daily sodium intake to 2300 milligram. 2. High oxalate foods. Foods that contain high levels of oxalate include peanuts, rhubarb, spinach, beets, chocolate, and sweet potatoes. Moderating intake of these foods may be beneficial for people who form calcium oxalate stones, the leading type of kidney stones. Once you finish eating, any extra oxalate stick to calcium in the kidneys that can produce stones. 3. Excess intake of animal protein. Eating too much animal protein such as red meat, poultry, eggs, and seafood boosts the level of uric acid and could lead to kidney stones. If you are prone to stones, limit your daily meat intake to a quantity. High purine foods. Uric acid stones are one of four major types of kidney stones. Higher than normal levels of uric acid in the urine often indicate kidney stone. Other causes including a diet high in foods containing purines, obesity. Vegetables like cauliflower, spinach and mushroom should be avoided as it is contain high in purine substances. Excess intake of vitamin C. Ingested vitamin C is partly converted to oxalate and excreted in the urine, thus potentially increasing the risk of calcium oxalate stone formation. In metabolic study in 24 individuals, 2 gram daily of ascorbic acid increased urinary oxalate excretion by about 22%. 6. Too much consumption of beverages. Calcium oxalate stones can form as a result of being dehydrated, and alcohol is known to dehydrate the system as a diuretic. More concentrated urine can lead to the formation of crystals.